Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know we don't like to waste nobody time. But before we do that, let's like this video so it can reach more people. So today we're gonna be touching bases on SOS Limited. That's ticker symbol SOS. We ended the day at around we was up today around 59%. And after hours, we went up another 14.3%. That's about 75% on the day, you guys. And this is stock I already told y'all about. I been told y'all about SOS when it was trading at $5.50 a share. You could be up almost 3 times your money. So if you put in 500, you'll be up $1,000 right now. So this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, but I told y'all about this one. And for the ones that's just now seeing this, it ain't too late. But I'm not your financial advisor. Stick around to the end of the video. Towards the end, I'll give you some entry points on where you could get in, possibly get in on this at and be safe. Where you can get in at, and then where you can get out at if it go against you, or in where it's potentially going, where it still can go. So let's look into it, y'all. SOS opened up at $9.71, hit a high of $13.69. The low was $9.61. The 52-week high is $13.69. The 52-week low was 51 cents. So now let's look into the news. Let's see what the articles got to say about SOS. The stock price of SOS is trading at over 35% pre-market. This is why it happened. The stock price of SOS, a blockchain-based and big data-driven marketing and solution provider, is trading at over 35% pre-market. Investors appear to be responding to a viral video about TV personality and Shark Tank investor Kevin O'Leary, known as Mr. Wonderful, endorsing the company. So basically, this before I been put y'all on the SOS. He did this. He just did this. I didn't know anything about it. But I got the video. I found it for y'all, and I'm gonna put it up here. I ain't had whenever I mentioned SOS, it was before Mr. Kevin. I didn't know nothing about no Mr. Wonderful, Mr. Kevin O'Leary. I mean, I know of him. I know he's a Shark Tank guy, but I'm saying I didn't hear anything about that before when I told you guys about this stock. That just came from research and due diligence, and it popped up on my radar. So let's look into it though. I'm gonna put the video over here. So let's look at it, y'all.
Blockchain technology and clean energy are everywhere nowadays. Why? Because people care. I want you to check out this new company called SOS Limited.
So y'all see that he basically went on ahead and told y'all to check out SOS Limited. He basically went on ahead and put that word of mouth out there, and went on ahead and that's like a pump. It could be a pump and dump for him to go out there and just be so broad, like be so bold about it. Like, y'all check out SOS. So that's why I put up this for y'all. You know, Mr. Kevin O'Leary, he known for having people pay him $1,200 to say anything you want him to say, like promote anything. So check this out. However, it was quickly pointed out that this video endorsement is suspicious, as you can pay Mr. Wonderful $1,200 to say almost anything you want in the video. Cameo, and there are no other clips of O'Leary endorsing SOS as a company as well. There are no other clips other than that little small clip of him endorsing. But just off that, that's what we here for. That's how we make our money. We don't care about y'all. That I called out this play before we even knew about that. But for him to do that, that's even more of a banger. That's even more of a home run for us. Like, it ain't about I don't believe in the company. I'm not here to stay forever. We just here to take a meter to move, get this bread real quick, and go ahead and get on out and go to the next play. You feel me? We make our plays and we on to the next. Don't fall in love with none of your plays. You hit a play, you on to the next one. So let's see, y'all. Let's carry on. Let's carry on. I'm gonna also show y'all my position. I've been in and out. I'm a day trader. I don't fall in love with these stocks. I'm in and I'm out. Sometimes I might do, you know, be in a stock a couple because of the catalyst, because of it have more potential. You know, you got to adapt. I'm teaching y'all that. You feel me? I'm showing y'all that. So check this out. I got a total cost of $4,900. Average price $12.39. Last price $13.50. And yeah, I'm in at a high price, but that's because I've been in at $5. I done made money from $5 to $9 and then sold. Then when I seen this thing go from 9 to 13, I'm like, oh, this thing can still run. I take a look at the charts and start doing my homework. And then come to find out about Mr. Kevin O'Leary putting his little word of mouth out there to make the thing pop even more. That's why I'm bringing it back to y'all attention again. I hope y'all still in on it. I had somebody in the comments today telling me they made 30%. Congratulations. And don't be mad. Don't ever be mad when you left money on the table that you could have made more. Because just because you could have made more, that don't matter. Like, get your profits. Take your profits and be happy. Only time you just want to worry about them losses, keeping the losses small at a minimum. You worry about them losses. Them gains, don't worry about, oh, I could have had more, I could have had more. Because gains gonna come. Just protect your losses. The gains gonna come. So let's carry on, y'all. SOS. Let's see what else we got. So that's all we got. That's all we got for right there. So now I want to hit y'all with a little information on where this thing could possibly go and where to get in at. Okay, this where you will possibly get in at for the ones that's late to the party. And it's okay. But this is a risky play now. This is a risky investment. But you know, with come high risk, comes high reward. So don't put nothing in that you ain't willing to lose on this one right here. So if we see this thing pull back, we got a nice form of support right here at $11.35, $11.35, $11.30 range, $11.40 range. We got a nice form of support. $11.30 to $11.50 range. We got a nice form of support. So if this thing pull all the way back to, I wouldn't mess with it nowhere in the 14s, the 12s. This thing have to pull back to that 11.30 range. Pull all the way back to 11.50, 11.40. If I see that 11.50, I get some. If I see it pull all the way back to 11.30, I get some more. And then if I see it pull all the way back to $9.30, and you probably don't never see that price, but you want to be prepared, I get my last little bit. And then we'll ride this one straight on out to $20, to $20 plus. You can get out at 15, you can get out at 13, you can get out whenever you up. But I'm going to trade this thing all the way up to $20 plus. And then the way you get out, once you get in and you get out to stay protected, if this thing drop below $9, once you get in your last little bit at $9, it drop below $9, we're going to get up out of there. That's your exit. That's where you exit at. So that's all I got for y'all this video. You already know this your boy Behave. If you like these type of updates, these type of predictions, these type of entries and exits, you already know you found the right place. Consider joining the family. Y'all, we out. God bless.